When you look into the eyes of a bird, it's very easy to suddenly recognize that is a living, breathing, conscious being. If there's one basic thing that the lab stands for, it's the idea that we have an opportunity to make a difference. The difference that we can make is brought about by the fact that we watch, we observe. That's fundamentally what science is. We're built around the idea that we're curious about how nature works. We're curious about how nature's doing. And the more we look, the more we listen, the more we understand. The fantastic thing about birds is they actually allow us access to the very little details of the living world. Because birds give us this microscope into how nature works so beautifully. We can look closely at how they interact with their food, with their shelter, with their places for nesting, and with one another. Birds give us access to how nature works in ways that most animals don't. There's art in nature and there's science in nature. And then there's the teaching that one can do from putting those together. And all of these ultimately culminate in the same place. We can't help singing about it because it's so spectacular. And that all comes from the fundamental human privilege we have. It starts with being able to see something, to listen to something, to think about it, and to reflect on it. There's nothing that's more beautiful and fulfilling and potentially explosively life-changing than simply listening to nature.